Welcome, welcome to Tintin and Queen Day of Serye. Serye for today's video is we will prepare a marinated egg, and our dinner will be pepper lunch thingy. So we have this hopya. We bought this in an Asian store. It is taro inside and it's super good, but it's expensive, but it's super good. Kinain na namin yung tatlo kasi sobrang sarap. So meron pa kaming tatlong natira. And we also have wonton wrapper because Tin is craving for rangoons, which is so good. And of course, we have soy sauce, which is datu puti. We have mung beans, munggo. We have sesame seeds and sesame oil. And we went to Asian store, so we have this ginger. We have this green chili. And this one is our favorite snack. Individually wrapped siya sa loob, but this is our favorite. It's a green peas. It tastes like muncher, but it's so good. So it comes with different flavor. So it has like original, garlic, and crab. Ito yung tatlong favorite ko, which is so good. And we also brought Turkish roll. This one is so good as well. We tried this before sa aeroplano. We tried this before pagkain dyan sa aeroplano, and it is so good. But this one is plain, so without like anything inside. So like you can customize or you can decide what to put inside. So it's really up to you, but it's so good. And we also have dinner rolls. So this is dinner rolls, and it kind of looked like somehow pandesal. And yeah, 6 pieces lang siya. But yes. And of course, since we're making eggs, marinated eggs, and then rangoons, and then what else? Ano pa ginaraan natin? Pepper lunch. So we need this. And we also have cheese, cream cheese for the rangoons. And this one, onion chives. Is this onion chives tawag din? Chives for our rangoons. And we also have butter. And of course, hindi kompleto ang ating pepper lunch without the corn kernels. So we also have that. And yeah, white onions. And rangoons is better with something inside, so you can put tuna or whatever you like, ham or what. But us, we will put crab sticks. So if you wanna make pepper lunch, first thing you need to do is magsaing ka. So I will saing.
I put kimchi.
So if you want, we also have the kimchi here. If you want, you have the kimchi as well.
Why?
So our first bite.
Toast na dito. Mm. Really good.
Bye-bye. Yeah, so good morning. Yeah, so for today is we will have like Filipino breakfast. It's been a while since I have this Filipino traditional breakfast. I did not cook egg though, but yeah, I have here like soup and yeah, it's dried fish and yeah, my favorite ginger tea or salabat. It's so good because I'm not feeling okay and it's so good to have this. I just woke up and Hin is here. And I have a pasalubong from Hin. He brought me.
Lun. Lun.
Dalawa.
Lun.
So this is the traditional croissant. Sorry. This is the traditional croissant. And the other one is this. Oh, so good. Looks so good. And the other one is our favorite, the almonds. Let's eat. I wanna try this because I wanna try this because this is my first time to try this. I have tried the other croissant and the other what do you call that? Like the almond, which is our favorite. Almond croissant. But yeah, I just want to try this. Paano yung kanin din? Kantin mo lang. Lahat mo ba? Good. I feel like this is good pair with chocolate, hot chocolate, or maybe coffee. Damit din. So good. Ano nga yun, Tim? Morning bun. So Clan is looking for place to have dinner because he's off early today.
Hindi po ako nakakuha, talagang napaiyak ako.
So good.
Wala na kaming pagkain para sa araw na yun. Habang naglalakad ako pabalik sa classroom kung saan kami pansamantalang nakikisilong, ay may tumawag ng pangalan ko. Si Gian Palayon. Nakita niya raw na hindi ako nakakuha.